welcome back to the bed where the magic happens. We got a new surprise, which it is going to be some Kryptonite upper control arms. Amazing. I'm super excited. So I haven't opened this really yet. Here's all, this is like actually nice packaging, like pretty good. Congratulations. I gotta register my parts though. But here's the instructions. It's kind of like a nice placard, hard paper thing. Look, all the stuff, got it good. So, yeah. Get a whole line, which we will. Got a magazine, Diesel Tech, shout out Diesel Tech. I need to get back in here, so hit me up again. The truck looks a little bit different now. If you don't know too, also I was in a Diesel Tech magazine. It was this one. It's the November 2019 one. There it is, LBZ Panda. Right there, there she is. That's me. Rikki Diesel. Anyways, yeah. If you have any of these, if you do have any more of these copies, you should send them to me because I want more. Because this is the only one I have left. So, anyways, back to this. So, these comes with everything: your bushings, your bump stops for that. Come black powder coated. Kind of had an issue with that. They're supposed to come raw, but that's fine. We'll get it taken care of. And it comes with these cool little metal stickers, which I'm actually gonna send more of these because it was supposed to come raw, and I asked for these, put these aside, but that's okay. Take them off, powder coat them, and that'll be a surprise here later in the video. But here's a cool sticker. I wanted this one too. I was kind of wanted that one, the neon one. Just not sure where I'm gonna put it. And so here's your bush or your ball joints. That'll be sweet. It's like pretty heavy duty stuff right here, that's for sure. Everything's all welded up nicely. It is awesome. These are sweet. I'm excited, super excited. So we'll be powder coating these here. We're gonna be taking to Aaron and over at Tag Coating here in All Falls. Hit them up. So these will be different color in a couple days. Hey guys, we are back, and the upper control arms are powder coated. Are you excited? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, gotcha. 1, 2, 3. Bam! Look at that, man. They are amazing. This is the powder color is light illusion blue. It's exactly what I wanted. It kind of it matches the transmission mount thing I have, and then also my brake calipers. When the light hits them, it like is perfect matching. I'll show you here in a second, but I got the stickers on, and these are a lot different than the ones I had that they sent me. So I don't know if they meant to do that, but I love them more than the other ones. So kind of got those. But that color in the light, oh, it gleams, man. It's perfect. Aaron over at Tag, A+. That looks amazing. See, even in kind of like, so kind of put this one in the dark. You know, it's blue, and because that's the thing, I didn't want to go to just a regular blue that everyone does, like the candy blue, or not the candy blue, but it's always the same color blue. It's almost like purple. I didn't want that. I wanted you to actually tell that I was blue, and it's like kind of like baby blue color. It like is perfect, and it like is super bright, not too unattractive looking. But I'll show you. This is with the flash on, but y'all can obviously tell. But that and that together, ooh. Let's get the light off. Yeah, that looks good. And on the camera, that looks darker than this, but they're about the same. So I'll add some good color to it. Oh man, I can't get over this. Color is amazing looking. It looks way good. Cannot wait to put it on. Hopefully here soon in just a little while. So right now I'm just getting ready for tomorrow because it's gonna be a long day if I can't get these bolts out. So everyone I talked to on the LBZ forums said, number one rule, blast penetrating oil throughout, especially for the camber bolts. And that's pretty much like the major thing is PV blast it or penetrating oil, and the camber bolts suck. So that's gonna be amazing. You can't drive with them off too. So because I was like, if they break, can I go to the store? And they're like, no, which I did not know or whatever. It was maybe a mistake, first time doing these. So I'm just saturating everything so that they'll come off easy tomorrow. I'll do it again in a couple hours just to make sure everything pops out and doesn't break. So I'm doing these, and then I might do the bottom part. So just to make sure everything comes out good. Got the wheel off. We're going to put these on. So, which I don't get why no one tells you this, but no one really tells you. I don't know why, but the instructions say it's totally different. It's like, but it says like you need like 1/2 inch for these, which maybe might be, but I got a 21 millimeter socket. I got a little extension to get it there, and that one came off super easy. And then I'm just getting a cotter pin, and the other side didn't even have a cotter pin, so I'm like, don't know if that's the way it is, but I've seen some videos where they didn't have cotter pins, and I don't know if they did or did not, or it's an aftermarket one, like my other side's a wrong side or not. But yeah, so they didn't have cotter pins, so we're gonna pull that out, and I saw that was an 18 millimeter nut. So I'm pulling these off. I've been spraying them with PB Blaster, which I'm probably gonna do it again real quick just to make sure. But yeah, I'm getting kind of confused. Lefty, righty, tighty, lefty, loosey. I'm like, wait, this goes this way. Wait, this is that way. And yeah. So we'll get her off, put her back on. Got my jacks and jack stands, and I'm actually gonna finish this too, which I'll do another update on it.
3 weeks later.
Here at Deuce Mafia, and we're getting these put on finally. Jake's getting all set up. We're back home, and I got a line and everything. So here are my old up control arms, and okay, so I tried, so kind of skipped through it, but I could not get them off. And luckily Jake over at Diesel Mafia, he helped me out. So after that video I just showed when I was doing stuff, it did not want to come out. I did not want to budge, and I was like, hey, I give up, because I'm not gonna mess this up. And I did not want to break it, and then I also don't have another car or anything, so I couldn't go anywhere. So I was like, you know what I'm gonna do? I am going to put everything back, and yeah. So we didn't do it, and I'm glad, because I don't think I showed you another video, but it wasn't so good. Like, we actually broke a camber bolt. Like, he tried his hardest not to break it, and it's just cut off. Like, the bolt on the nut and everything just broke off. It was just so rusted in there. So yeah, that's where it's at. So yeah, and this one, I think the Moog one was done. This one is like, it still works. But yeah, these are old Oprah control arms. They kind of suck. But here's a camber kit we used for it. And yeah, the other side, the driver's side, came out okay. He had a hard time where I stopped. He had a hard time right there. But other than that, it was fine. So yeah, other than that, we got done. Showing you the older ones. They're all just trash and rusty and old. So this one looks like it's been replaced. So by a Moog one, and this one, I don't know what this one is. It's like a brand new upper control arm or something. There's no markings on it, but it's macaroni and cheese sounds. But yeah, so we got those out. That's that. Let's go show you the front. So here is the final product. Boom. Like, I need to clean up everything else, but that is it. It looks perfect and amazing. Let's turn on some light. Got to clean up the little grease zerks out, and also, just like Jake said, well, I guess you didn't hear him, but he said put some clear coat over the ball joints so it won't rust. So I'll do that, but that's what it looks like. Light Illusion Blue is the color. It looks 100% better. And also you can see where we got new camber bolts. Yeah, that was pretty cool. But let me clean. I gotta clean everything else up, get all less rusty. But she looks clean and pretty much almost matches my calipers. In there, see? Nice and clean. Now I got, makes me, as soon as I put these on, I was like, I have to freaking get everything else powder coated. I need some traction bars, and then, or not, so get my traction bars colored, and then some engine stuff and whatnot. But yeah, super excited, except my wife's not excited about it. Stay tuned. But yeah, even after doing the PB Blaster for a good 3 to 4 days straight, this one always came, the front one always came off easy. I don't know why, on both sides. It came off super easy, but it was always the rear one. I'm not sure if like it's just because the salt flies into it more or what. But this is the one that broke. That one came off easy, and that one came off broke. And so, yeah, I am excited about that. It was expensive, or not expensive, but so yeah, those were like 40 bucks. There's that. Like I said, and I greased that one up just because you had to, and I did a little bit. Don't do too much because it comes pre-greased already. And if you do, the ball joints are like 60 bucks, so not bad. But yeah, that's them. They look clean and perfect, and everything looks good. Definitely recommend them. They're pretty pricey, but well worth it. And then if you have the powder coat, depending on where you're at, it's probably anywhere between 120 bucks to 250 depending. And I also got some pricing from local. So yeah, light illusion blue is this color, and that sticker looks a lot better than the other one. Looks good though.